Hey guys. Hey, as you know, I just got out of foot surgery, so I'm still in this wheelchair getting around the house. But my wife's going to assist me on this video, so be nice to her. And today we're going to do an Italian spicy sausage dip. And this is probably going to be perfect for New Year's Eve, all right? I love you guys, and I will see you in a bit. So let's come on in close and let Tammy tell you about all the ingredients.
Okay, so what you're gonna need is some bread that we're gonna have to bake and chop it up. Then we need garlic powder, red pepper flakes, Italian seasoning, pepperoncinis, fresh basil, diced tomatoes, sausage, well, we're gonna be taking them out of the casing, and we'll explain to that later, mozzarella cheese, and Parmesan. Okay, first thing you need to do is I have to preheat the oven to bake the bread while I get everything else all together so we can make the dip. Okay, so I'm going to preheat the oven according to this instruction to 400 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, so because we didn't get regular sausage that's all like ground down, we have to cut the casing off of this. So you lightly just take your knife, go along the seam and cut it, and just pull the casing back, and it'll just peel right off. Okay, now we need to brown the sausage and chop it all up until it's completely cooked. Okay, so first get your casserole dish out and spray it with non-stick spray. I stepped away from the camera to do it over the sink so the spray residue wouldn't get on the floor and make it slippery. I put the chopped up cooked sausage in a bowl, and now we're gonna start adding everything to it. Okay, so we're gonna add everything to this bowl and get it all mixed up while the sausage is still warm. I'm going to start with the seasonings. Get them all in there. Get those all mixed up. Next thing I'm going to go to is the mozzarella because it's still warm. And then the Parmesan. And then last but not least, we will add the tomatoes, diced tomatoes, and the diced pepperoncinis. Get that all incorporated. Okay, so now we're gonna put everything, our whole mixture, into the casserole dish. I saved 3/4 cups of the mozzarella off to the side so I can sprinkle it on the top. Okay, then I take my basil leaf. I'm going to sprinkle that on to your tasting or liking. It's really as a decoration. And I'll add some flavor too because it's fresh basil. Okay, so now we've got it all together. We're going to take it in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. Okay, so our bread is now baked while our dip is in the oven cooking. I'm going to cut, they're called Crostini's, little bite-sized chips, and we'll be using this for dipping. The more stale they are, the tougher they are, the better it is. So I'm going to do that with my whole bread. It's about like that size, right like that. Okay, you guys, and here it is. Spicy Italian sausage dip. Perfect for anywhere you go for the New Year's. Quick and easy, simple. And let's give it a taste. Okay, let's give it a try. Okay, that's really good. A little spicy, but everybody's gonna love it. You guys have a great new year. Let's look forward to what 2020 has to bring. Love you guys. Bye.